decision is we have taken a decision to appoint Shrikant म्हणून आमचो पयलीं एक इंजिनियर आशिल्लो. Now he has experience in water supply. So to take advantage of his experience and knowledge about water supply line, everyone will know Shrikant. He has been engaged to go through all schemes and tell us what is a problem that is causing. Actually, every day we are pumping around 500 mld water. Theoretically, this is 1.5 times of requirement of the state. And there are many areas which are already getting 24 hours water. It is inefficiency and bottlenecks of the distribution network which actually is causing problem, and not quantity of water available. Now I get report of water supply scheme wise every day on my email, and I am observing that none of the areas, mota areas I am saying, get less, but you will still find complaints from some pockets. It's very simple. If there are 100 pockets and 3 pockets don't get water, that complaint comes. No one, 97 areas which is getting water, no one is writing in the media or complaining. Now this is sometimes how things are brought to a higher level. So we have appointed him to examine all this so that we can work out tail end problem solution and also improvement in the plants. आता कितें जाता, लायट गेली धर तूं, ब्रेकडावन जालो जाल्यार सगळी सिस्टीम डावन जाता आनी कॅपॅसिटी जर तूं जाय इतलीच आसत जाल्यार देर इज ऑलवेज अ शॉर्टेज. इफ दीस कायंड ऑफ थिंग्स हॅपन देर शूड बी एक्स्ट्रा कॅपॅसिटी अवेलेबल. म्हणून तो ताणें ऑलरेडी अभ्यास चालू केलो गेल्या म्हयन्याच्यान. ही हॅज ऑलरेडी गिवन डिटेल्स ऑन अस्नोडा प्लांट वॉट नीड्स टू बी डन. एंड म्हणजे अजून पर्यंत जो इम्प्रूवमेंट इन वॉटर सप्लाय आशिल्लें, इट वॉज प्रॉबेबली प्रॉब्लेम जालो सोल्युशन काड. एक वेल प्लॅन गेल्या 20, 25, 30 वर्साचेर एक्सरसायज करून तो करचो म्हणून तो ताका अपॉयंट केला. ही इज अ मोर ऑफ अ consultant. Because of his knowledge he can do it faster. He doesn't have to study the grid.